Hey guys, welcome back to the follow-up video. Yes, this is about the C-bands. I'm going to show you a little bit about that. I'm at the Seaport. I'm going to test it and see if it really works. This is just a follow-up video. Hope you enjoy, and you're going to be surprised. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at some C-bands. This helps with nausea relief. Now, I'm not sure if they work or not. I just picked them up. A friend of mine told me they work all the time, so I'm not really sure, but I just want to show you what I got, give you an idea of how to put them on, and hopefully they work for you, because nausea and seasickness and car sickness, whatever, are a real thing. And if they're a real thing for you guys, let me know. Leave some comments down below. Also, like the video if this resonates with you. So these are, when I got them, they looked a lot smaller than I thought they were. They were like little tiny case, which is very good for travel. It came in a little tiny box, and it's how it came. And the instructions were pretty clear, and I'll just show you how to use them. I'm actually going to make some videos in the future. I'm actually going on a small cruise out of a local area, and we'll see how they work. I'm going to test them because I do get nauseous on those boats, man. I don't know about you guys. Use your 3 fingers, put them on your wrist here, and the last finger is where the pressure point goes, right there. So it's your 3 fingers, and that's where you attach it. Okay guys, so here it is. It is game day. There it is. I did have my C-bands on. You can see I'm at the Seaport in Boston, and they're having the Sail Boston 2026. I'm going on this cruise for an hour and a half, and I'm going to try it out. This is my first time trying this. Even walking on these docks, I can get dizzy sometimes, so I did put them on before I even started walking on the dock. So this is a fantastic cruise. If you never did it out of Boston, you definitely should do it, especially for the tall ships. Fantastic viewing, amazing. The ship was awesome. The people were super nice. And here's some of the footage. I just want you to see a little bit of the Sail Boston, so you're getting a little bit of both perspective. My perspective on the boat, this is where I was standing. The waters were calm, just to be clear, but there was some rocking, some wake, because there was so many boats in the water. I mean, there was like 1,000 boats. Everybody and their uncle had their boat out. You had the National Guard out. You had everybody was out on boats. All the security. It was crazy. Coast Guard everywhere. It was nuts. But these are some of the tall ships. I just want to show you some of the beautiful ships. I mean, gorgeous. If you've never been to a tall ship festival, you should go. And I never went on the boats because I always got sick. But this time, I have to tell you, from my own personal experience, and your experience may differ, I did not get sick. Now, this boat is gorgeous. $120 million boat. This is a yacht. I love this stuff, man. This is a modern yacht. Gorgeous. Local dealership. I'm not going to say who owns this. Beautiful boat. $120 million. Absolutely gorgeous. Well-deserved. Fantastic. I love the look of this. Super sharp and super sleek. And this is an amazing. And the back of it is so cool. Has a double staircase going down. I'll give you a quick shot of that real quick. Looks like a luxury hotel. Absolutely amazing. So that was a cool. There's a Tobin Bridge in the background. If you don't know if you're not from the Boston area, here are some more shots here. You could just see there was probably the 4 million people hanging around in the harbor of Boston area, and just a beautiful, perfect day. Calm winds, beautiful day. There was a lot of wake, like I said, because there was so many small boats around, just spinning around everybody. And this was called the Parade of Sails, and you went around. And usually I get very nauseous, and this time I did not, and it actually worked for me. So I think you should at least give them a try. I really do. So this is just my updated video. If you saw my original video, check it out, how to put them on, and how to put them on your hands and all that kind of stuff. Really easy to do once you do it. I did have 2 little dimples in my arms, in my hands, but they did go away after an hour. And I guess the pressure points do work. Acupuncture does work. So thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching. Hope this review helped. Thanks, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.